socks.
Happy socks.
Hey dudes and dudettes, welcome back to our channel. The Buell is going to get almost done today. Our plans are, Mr. B.
Belt tensioner, rear brake, primary casing, and then fluids. And then start it, and then fire it up.
Don't forget, we also have to put in a new gas cable.
Of course.
And the details that come around it. So stick around, watch us try and get this thing running today. Don't know if it's going to work, but we'll give it a shot. And if it works, then we have succeeded, and we're off to the races. Let's get started, boys.
Yeah. Cheers, brother.
Yeah. Can never forget. Cheers. So this is the part where we need a special tool. And show us the special tool, Mr. B. There you go.
Sure, you might learn a thing or twice.
Or twice.
Yeah.
A pussy's so nice, I did it twice. Something like that?
By the time we get this thing down, we can start doing a few more Buells
On the side.
on the side.
Brakes, the most overrated part of a motorcycle. Because you only brake out of fear.
So what we have to do now is torque it to specs. So what we do is we put
Blah, 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 blah.
257.
257.
257.
Starting from. I do it for the motherland. Hello, my name's Marvin. I'm from Kazakhstan. Do you like it? I have 5 wives. Red Loctite in blue bottle. Red Loctite in blue bottle. Stupid.
So it's not a flat washer, but it's a spring washer. So you have to mount it like this, because the bolt is
facing outwards.
fading outwards. Because if you mount it the wrong way,
It won't.
it won't engage.
That's right.
Yeah, it says here out.
Out.
Ah.
Can I just turn it?
Oh, yeah, other way. I still have to think about it.
That's right. Take it off, baby. Show me what you got.
Hey, you little gay
I got
from
20
here.
euros.
You'll never guess what happened. We were looking for parts, and it's been so long since we've taken this bike apart that we don't know where we put all the parts anymore. We had it stored all over the place because, as you've probably seen, our garage is one big mess. I've got so much tools and so much parts and all kinds of shit like that. So Mr. M finally found out where the box was, and now we can finish our bike. All the parts for the
Clutch assembly.
clutch assembly. Finally got it. Took a while, but we found it. I think we were looking for like half an hour. Half an hour searching for parts. Sometimes. Now we're taking it off again because we have to replace the
Shifter shaft seal.
shifter shaft seal. So say that 5 times fast.
Yeah,
Shifter shaft seal. Shifter shaft seal.
Yeah. There it is.
It's your boy.
So what you got to do? Just make
Oh,
sure.
this one can move. Where's this one for, actually? Oh, yeah, it's for this.
That's how much free play you need.
Yeah? Oh, where does this one go then?
So what we're doing now is trying to figure out the torque for the drain plug of the oil, right?
Yeah.
Before material from magnetic drain plug and apply Loctite thread sealant, reinstall plug and tighten to 14.9, 20.3.
Drain plugs at 20 Newton meters from the primary case.
Chain
Gotta
gear
remove this on Torx 27.
27, hang on, I got that. I got that right here in my Rotterdam case, not my Gador. T27.
T27.
T27, there you go, sir.
Yeah. And then your
Yes, yes,
Okay.
sir. On your way, sir.
Uh,
There you go, sir.
short extension.
Ah. Yes, sir. There you go, sir.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, sir. You
So
got-
what we got to do now take that cover off again when I told them not to do that because that's where you got to put your oil in. But Mr. B was kind of stubborn. He's like, oh, we'll put it in there. But how are you going to check it? Obviously, this bike needs more than just a cheap Chinese filter. So Mr. M here bought a special filter for it. We're just about to show you what we bought. And it's got some real special feature to this thing that you're going to really love. Look at this. And what is it?
K&N Performance L filter with wrench off feature. But that's not the feature you were talking about.
That's not
was
the
it?
feature I was talking about.
Not at all.
Which it is a very good feature because
Yes,
it makes it a lot easier to place and remove the filter. But
Very much.
let's see.
But
Open the box.
da-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Check this out. Now you're sitting there looking at it and wondering like, well, what is it then?
Fluid?
Spicy fluid.
Yeah. It's a little hot, you know.
Well, it's not spicy, but it's already
It's pre-lubricated,
pre-lubricated,
like a woman. Oh, no.
like a woman.
Like a girlfriend should be.
No more pre-oiling. It's already oiled. All you have to do is roll it right on there. That's neat, nifty. Good job, K&N. It should be hand tight, just nice and tight with the hand.
So I cannot do that anymore with the hand? That's
As
hand
far
tight?
as you can go with your hand, just nice and tight.
So
You-
I
you
can
keep
pressure,
going.
I can put
Yeah,
pressure?
keep going.
Okay.
You can't turn it anymore with the hand, otherwise it's going to leak.
Okay, now it's getting...
You're doing a good job.
Thank you, sir. This should be...
In here, let me check.
Yes. That's 2 hands.
Ah, that's
I'm
just so
not
my
that
hand
big.
doesn't- There.
There. That's all.
It's all she wrote. But did a good job.
Oh, thank you, sir. Thank you. Konnichiwa.
So now we filler plug for the
dipstick.
oil with a dipstick.
Oh, that's neat.
Family?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey?
Yeah, it's about my size.
It's family. It's a dipstick.
They say I need to
Not working, is it? What?
He prepared it for me.
No, I just did that.
Good job.
Good job.
What?
You had one job. You had one job.
What did I do?
Why don't you? You were supposed to prepare and get it ready to pour in.
I did.
You
We
didn't.
We didn't know when we were going to do it, so I already pulled it half.
One job.
Blah, 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 la, 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 la.
It's like your girlfriend, tight fit.
His girlfriend ain't a tight fit.
I know. You can throw it in. Like throwing a hot dog down the hallway.
So we still need a half a liter to put in there. We put the battery in now, so we're one step further to getting close to starting the sucker. We're gonna have to check a few other little things, some connectors and stuff, make sure everything's well fastened and all the electrical is properly connected. Let's keep going. What are you looking for, Mr. M?
Looking for the muscle.
Sanity. He's looking for his sanity.
I
You're looking
lost
for
it.
your sanity,
Yeah. And my dignity.
huh?
My dignity.
Your
Ah,
dignity.
that's lost. That's long gone.
You ever had that? How could you lose something you've never had?
I don't know. I'm stupid.
That I agree with.
So the last half a liter in there. Be careful. It's hard to see on this thing.
Where the fuck am I? I can't see shit with this thing. Beer up.
Non-beer up. Check it out. Check it out.
Oh,
0.0. It's lemonade. And look at this.
Look,
Dipshit.
look.
Really?
Yeah! Yeah, I'm stupid.
No.
Yeah.
Why? Actually not. I'm the one that's stupid. I'm the only one drinking alcohol here.
You take the word right of his mouth.
Space good.
Space goes on. So now it's time to put on the exhaust. We got the battery in, we got the oil in. Now I'm going to put the exhaust on.
Today's
B, tell our viewers what you're doing.
He's busy.
Trying to remove the spark plug.
Trying to remove the spark plug. Why trying?
Because it's hard.
Because you have to be half a gynecologist
Still
to reach
in
it. And not in a good way.
Fisting the bike.
You're fisting the bike. So Mr. B is doing the last preliminary fastening of the kickstand, and we have to fasten the shifter arm. Mr. M's getting ready to change the gas cable.
Can you just take it off?
But he can do it. Alright, we did it. Everything is on there. We got the stand on there, we got all the plastic and all that stuff like that. Got the seat on there, the kickstand. We got, what else we got on there? All the cables are connected.
Belly pan.
The belly pan's on there.
Air in the fake
Air, the
inlet.
air inlets are on there. We had a bitch of a time with one of them because it wasn't really sync. So we had to fix that up a little bit. We got the new cable on there. We got the new blinker on there. Now it's just to see if it shifts the way it's supposed to shift, because that was the issue in the first place. And let's see what happens. Ladies and gentlemen, the time has come. We have connected the battery. We have put in the engine oil. We have put in primary oil. There is one ingredient that we are missing. We have it, but there's one more ingredient that we need to have this thing going. This beast, this monster of a machine. The Buell XB12s is ready for this first turnover in 6 months. This is it. The moment we've all been waiting for. This is the time that RBM is making its grand slam. The thing that we've always wanted to do is make something work, because it hasn't done that before. Well, not true. But anyways, this is the big project. Let's see what we can do. Now obviously it didn't start, but we fucked you guys up because we didn't put in the plugs, because what we did first is make sure the oil's going through. Now we're gonna put in the spark plugs, get everything connected, wires, then we're gonna try the official start. It's time. We got our plugs in, hooked up a couple of more hoses, put the breather hoses on top, back in place. We're just sitting back, scared to start it, because we don't know if it's gonna work. It's time. What do you say, guys? Is it time to start? Let's give it a shot. The Buell is alive! It's actually working. In one shot. Holy fuck, are we out? He's the man. The doctor is the man. You are the man.
Thank you.
You are the fucking man. And our trusty assistant has succeeded in not fucking anything up. Yay. Fucking A. We did it. We got it running. We got it running. But does it shift? And that is the next step in our journey on the Buell XB12s. So we got everything working. The bike is running. Now it's time to take it for a little test drive. Unfortunately, it's nighttime, so you won't be able to see much of what we're doing. We're going to do our best to make sure that everything is good, running, and try and film as much as we can, see if we can get it done. So we're going to take the bike off the bridge, off the lift. That's good, you'll fit through. And then we're going to get it done.
There you go. Here it comes.
I'm not filming.
Have fun, dude.